So episode 3,
we start the customizations.
Best tool for the job right here. 10mm socket.
It's working.
What I tells you? What did I tells you? Huh? Those are loosed already because I loosed them.
Oh yeah. Mint.
So this you would call the chrome base coat. That was a question, Matt. I don't know.
Yes. Because we're using a transparent paint, so this will show through.
Right on. So this is a nice solid color. It gives it a little bit of chrominess.
Still cold.
You want to heat it up? Just put it in your pants.
Heat it up a bit. Alright, we got the old fuel filter off the Civic. Now we're going to see what happens when we take a blowtorch to it. Outside, of course.
I had 400.
Just like that?
I think so.
I'm doused right now.
Do you want me to do it?
Oh, that was anticlimactic.
What do you think of that, Matt?
Sucks.
Well, sorry about that, guys. E-breakup. Runs and drives, folks. Leaks, but runs and drives.
episode 3,
Just finished painting the valve cover.
fun stuff.
Oh yeah. We replaced some seals and gaskets. Not so much fun, but still really necessary to do. This thing was leaking quite a bit, so we did what? Front main seal, and oil pan gasket, as well as the driver's side.
Axle seal, I guess you'd call it.
That's exactly what it is, yeah.
Drive shaft seal. The seal that goes into the transaxle.
That's the one. Fix that. Doesn't leak anymore.
Not a single puddle under the Honda. And it has fluid in it.
Yes, I'm gonna confirm. Things are looking good.